information in it that lets you know what kind of material it is.
Microplastics and plastics in our ocean is an increasing human-created problem. According to Jay Brandeis, a professor at the University of Georgia, plastic production has increased 12 and a half times since the 1950s.
So it's an enormous increase in plastics production, and it's continuing. If you look at the plastics production, it's basically an exponential curve. It's like population growth, and we all know how fast population has increased on the planet. And plastics are produced at an even faster rate.
Part of the reason for this increased rate of plastic production is the growing dependence on inexpensive plastic packaging used for things like groceries and other retail items.
Every time you buy something in the store, in the frozen food aisle, for example, almost everything has these throwaway plastic films or plastic trays. That, of course, was non-existent.
Nowadays, images of trash-covered beaches and animals killed by plastic can be found all over the internet. But there's another problem too: microplastics. Tiny particles that are less than 5 millimeters long, according to the NOAA. They're often difficult or impossible to see.
Onto the surface. The reason why we're interested in those is because these are a size that can be eaten by the small fish, by shrimp, by oysters, clams, that sort of, those types of organisms. So they have the potential for causing problems in those organisms.
And recycling is not the best option for decreasing the amount of microplastics escaping into the environment.
And again, we have to change our sort of behaviors, our buying preferences, all those things. And if we don't ever start, each of us individually doesn't ever start, then we'll never get anywhere.